Hi and welcome. I'm Julieanne Cost. Today I want to share with you two presets. Now these presets don't make any adjustments to your images, but they will save you time by automatically adding multiple masks with a single click. To download the presets, click the link in the description below. Then in Lightroom Classic, click the plus icon in the Presets panel and choose Import Presets. Navigate to the downloaded zip file and choose Import. Once imported, you'll see them appear in the Presets panel. Now, instead of having to select the masking icon and then choosing Landscape and manually checking all of the masks that you want to create, you can simply click the Landscape preset to apply all of the landscape masks. Lightroom Classic will analyze each image, and in the masking panel, you'll see all 8 landscape masks applied automatically. From here, we can select individual masks and start making adjustments. For example, I'll shift the sky's temperature towards blue and add some dehaze and increase the noise reduction. Then I'll move to the mountains mask, add a bit of contrast, and move the temperature towards yellow. For the water, I'll decrease the color temperature, and for the vegetation, I'll move the tint slider towards green. Now, depending on the image, some masks may be empty if that element or category isn't present in the image. To remove these empty masks, we can click the More icon and choose to delete a single mask or delete all empty masks. Now, let's switch to a portrait and apply the People Masks preset. This preset includes masks for the entire person, a combined mask for the body and facial skin, as well as separate masks for the body skin and facial skin, the iris and pupil, eye sclera, teeth, facial hair, eyebrows, and clothes. I've also included a mask to select the background since I often want to adjust that as well. Now, if you want to add these masks and apply adjustments to your images, we can make adjustments and then save another preset. For example, in the iris and pupil mask, I'm going to increase the exposure slightly and then add a bit of dehaze to enhance the contrast. Then I'll move to the eye sclera mask and just brighten it slightly and reduce the saturation. When you finish adjusting the settings for each mask, click on the plus icon and choose Create Preset. Then save a new preset with your custom adjustments to set your new default starting point. Now, before we wrap up, here are 3 things to note. First, if an image already has masks and you apply one of these presets, the new masks will be added to the file. They won't replace any existing masks. Second, when creating the landscape preset, I couldn't find a single image that contained all 8 landscape masks, so I copied and pasted the masks between multiple images. I started by adding masks to this image, and Lightroom Classic was able to detect and create masks for architecture, vegetation, artificial ground, and neutral ground. Then I selected this image and chose landscape masking, and Lightroom detected and created masks for the sky, mountains, water, and snow. Then I chose copy, then copied the masks from this image, returned to the first image, and chose paste. I chose to merge the masks, so now this image has all 8 categories. Once all of the masks were in the single image, I went to the Presets panel, clicked the plus icon, and chose Create Preset, and made sure to select all of the masks. And third, if you often photograph groups, you can build people masks for multiple people and then save them as a preset to increase your productivity. Excellent. I'm Julieanne Cost. Thanks for watching.